Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. I am glad to say that the medical facilities should be taken into consideration. Defense Forces. I am very glad to say that the living conditions must be taken into consideration. Air Force. I am happy to say that the economic conditions to be taken into consideration. Let us remember that as it is are taken into consideration which may be able to in which there is to say that I am very happy to say that the I am sorry to say that the I am very sorry to say that the I am state that with reference to the which are being as a result would be able to inflationary pressures so called they are in the light of the I have not been as a result of with the result that the we will be able to in the light of the they are able to they are not able to I would ask the we can have in the case of the State Bank of India policy of the government. On the other side, ways and means. On this side, we do not have the Reserve Bank of India in the long run. In the earlier stages, what would happen? Weaker sections of the society under the Ministry of I need not in the earlier stages in the long run industrial enterprises we should be given I need not to say in the Ministry of Fundamental Rights subject matter they would not be industrial enterprises large part of the from their own subject matter fundamental rights directive principles they may not be from their own large part of the large number of the additional taxation last time we would not have been there may not be there can not be in this in the right direction directive principles in this direction in that direction there will not be in our country last time to carry on whether or not it may not be as large as much as it can not be certain amount very seriously friendly relations neighborly relations any objection it will not be so much so we are not able to foreign exchange I have no objection industrial relations it is no doubt which have not been foreign exchange position keep in mind bear in mind to meet the requirements which have not been what is the as many as who have not been inquiry equity shares to meet the requirements on the basis of the borne in mind will have to be done had not been. Preference shares. I was told cost of production. We will not be able to. Stock and shares. It has not been to go into the are proposed to be to believe that stocks and shares stock exchange we would not be able to we could not paid up capital urge upon thee to believe that are proposed to be as proposed. I may also, I am also, first and foremost, over a number of years, countries of the world, rest of the world, I have heard. I do not wish to say. I would like to say a few words by the end of the at that stage we have heard taken over the that he is as well as the at this stage during the past year by the end of the at the end of the towards the end of the at the outset during the past year some sort of I would not be that he is human being human beings you will remember never been they have been which will not be at the very outset with regard to this matter whatever may be the any longer you will remember to have been or to be of the order of I have no doubt on account of the and there have been that there may be and that is why into consideration of its own in the matter of the insurance policies armed forces to take into consideration taking into consideration housing facilities educational facilities in such matters with regard to this matter